You're out on the ice, trying to make the most of a short day on the water, and the biggest question in your head is whether the gear you're about to spend money on will actually help you find fish, without turning the whole experience into a tech-heavy hassle. You've probably heard the hype about LiveScope sonar, seen a few YouTubers brag about seeing the fish move in real time, and you're wondering if that's just marketing fluff or something that will actually translate into more catches and less guesswork. The risk of buying a system that looks cool on paper but ends up being a battery-draining nightmare or a setup that takes forever to mount is real, especially when you're paying a premium for a kit that promises to change the way you ice fish. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. I spent a few afternoons on frozen lakes in Minnesota, swapping out my old conventional sonar for Garmin's LiveScope Plus ice fishing kit. And I'm going to walk you through what that actually felt like from the moment I unpacked the case to the last fish I landed. First off, the kit is built around the LiveScope Plus transducer, which is the part that actually projects a real-time sonar image. Unlike the traditional ping-and-wait approach where you get a single depth reading every few seconds, LiveScope gives you a video-like feed of what's happening in the water. In practice, that means you can see a school of walleye forming a few yards away, watch them scatter when you jig, and then target a single fish as it turns. The forward mode covers roughly 200 feet ahead of you, while the down mode points straight down and lets you zero in on a target that's directly below the boat or your ice hole. For anyone who's ever spent an hour dragging a jig with no idea if fish are even there, that visual feedback is a game changer. Now, the practical side of setting it up. The kit comes with a rugged, portable case sized to fit either a Garmin EchoMap 7-inch or 9-inch unit, or a GPSMAP 7. If you already own one of those maps, you're not buying a whole new console, just the transducer and the accessories needed to mount it. The swivel pole mount is surprisingly straightforward. You attach it to a standard ice fishing rod holder, snap the transducer into place, and you're ready to go. I was able to get everything on the ice in under 10 minutes, which is a relief because you don't want to spend half the day fiddling with cables while the sun's already starting to set. The battery is a 12-Ah lead-acid pack that plugs directly into the transducer. Lead-acid isn't the flashiest technology, but it's tried and true for cold environments. In 20F weather, the pack held its charge for about 4 hours of continuous LiveScope operation, which lines up with what Garmin lists. That's enough time for a typical morning session, but if you plan on all-day fishing, you'll want a spare battery or a way to charge it on the spot. The downside here is weight. The battery adds roughly 8 pounds to your gear, which can be a consideration if you're hauling a lot of equipment across a frozen lake. One of the biggest hidden trade-offs with LiveScope is the learning curve. The feed looks like a fish finder on steroids, but interpreting it in real time takes practice. In my first hour, the screen was full of blobs that I couldn't tell apart from debris or just water movement. After a few runs, you start to recognize the shape of a fish's silhouette, the way it darts when you jig, and the pattern of a school moving as a single entity. If you're the type of angler who loves to tinker and can spend a day or two just watching the screen, you'll quickly turn that raw data into a real advantage. If you're looking for a plug-and-play experience where you just press a button and immediately know where to cast, you might feel a bit frustrated. Who should buy this kit? If you're an ice fisherman who already uses a Garmin chart plotter or a decent sonar unit and you're looking to step up from static depth readings to something more interactive, this is a logical next step. It shines for anglers who target species that move in tight schools, think walleye, perch, or even northern pike, because you can literally watch a school form and then time your jig to hit the center of the action. It's also a solid option for guide services that want to give clients a visual wow factor. The live feed can be a great teaching tool to show why certain spots are productive. On the other hand, if you're a casual ice angler who only gets out a few times a season, or you're fishing in shallow, heavily cluttered water where the sonar feed gets overloaded with bottom structures, you may not see enough of a return on the investment. The kit's strength is its ability to give you